Hey, today I'll show you how to tear down Gigabyte AORUS H5 gaming headphones with microphone, so you can see the internal wiring layout and wires colors that can be useful when repairing this headset. To get inside the headset you need to remove the earpads themselves. They are very easy to remove though. Between the orange circle and the black edge of the earpad, push inside the thumbtack and pull off the ear cup. It was very easy. Because the earpad itself is only held on by 3 plastic pins, the main thing is to remember that the orange ring stays on the ear cup side and you shouldn't try to rip it off. Then use a Phillips type screwdriver to unscrew the 3 screws, but don't lose them as you will need them to put the headphones back together. Once the screws are unscrewed, lift off the orange headphone part. Interesting speaker design, no model or serial no on it. Here's also the whole Gigabyte AORUS H5 internal wiring layout and wires colors. Crazy amount of wiring for such a simple headphone. Here are also some pictures with better resolution, so you can understand where each of the wires is connected. Also the wiring of the remote that is on the cable. Putting it all back together is simple, centering the plastic cover. And screw it on. To put the earpads back on, it's important to remember that the ear cup's seam must be down. Then put the pad on one of the pins and slowly slide it down to hit the other plastic pins. Then push from the top against each pin to lock the earpad in place. I can congratulate you, you have learned the Gigabyte AORUS H5 headset disassembly technique. As always, I'll be glad if you hit the like and subscribe buttons so we can meet in another headphone repair DIY video.